Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's explore the realm of voice customization on Murf AI in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Discover AI voices. Click on the Explore AI Voices tab. Here, Murf Studio presents an array of voices spanning age groups, accents, and languages from English to Chinese, Romanian to German, Spanish to Italian, and more. Step 2. Play voice samples for each selection, allowing you to find the perfect match for your project's tone and mood. Step 3. Customize your voice. After selecting a voice, delve into customization. Adjust speed, pitch, volume, emphasis, and pronunciation for a tailored touch. Step 4. Master the emphasis feature. Elevate your narration with emphasis. To access this, click on the bubble comment icon with the plus sign on the text block. Increase or decrease pitch to emphasize specific words. Step 5. Preview your creation. Before finalizing, hit the play button to preview your voiceover. Ensure every nuance aligns with your vision. And there you have it. Crafting the perfect voiceover on Murf AI is at your fingertips. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your creative potential with Murf AI. Thank you for watching, and until next time.